Today, Sumgayit Appeals Court held a preliminary hearing on the appeal filed against 4 May 2011 decision of Sumgayit City Court, which sentenced youth activist Jabbar Savalanlu to 2.5 years in jail. Judge Latifa Hüseyinova presided over the hearing. Citing the lack of room in the courtroom, the supervisors didn't allow in the persons willing to observe the process. After the hearing, Savalanlu's attorney Asabalı Mustafayev told Objective TV that the parties testified in the process. First, we filed a motion requesting to allow Savalanlu to sit near his lawyers rather than behind bars. The motion was rejected. Then we filed another motion requiring the court to launch another investigation into the case, and we presented relevant justification. The judge didn't consider the motion, Mustafayev said. Speaking in the hearing, Savalanlu said that the charge brought against him is not grounded and that it is related to his political activities. The judge scheduled the next hearing on to July 7, 2011. Azerbaijan Popular Front Party member Jabbar Savalanlu is being charged with drug possession, but it's widely thought that his arrest was politically motivated, linked to criticism of the government he posted on social networking sites. Sumgayit City Court sentenced Savalanlu to 2.5 years in jail.